Hello everyone, this is the first part from Gamedeveloper tutorial. Today I show you how to create 2D pixel arts and how to export them. At first you open Google and type in Piskel. Click on search and open the first website. Piskel app must be written above the website. When you click on Create Sprite, you can see the user interface from Piskel. In the lower left corner you can see the color palette. If you click on it, you can select the color you want. You can draw whatever you want in the middle. If you want to erase something, press E to select the eraser. You can select the size of the brush in the top left corner. 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3 or 4 by 4 pixel. So you can cover more pixel with one click. You can resize your pixel art. Click on the second icon on the left side and type in the resolution you want. Then click on Resize. You can zoom in and then navigate with the map in the top right corner. If you want to export your art, click on the fourth icon on the left side. You can export it as a GIF, PNG, zip or others. I prefer PNG because you can easily import it into Unity and the background is transparent. When you click on download, you can open it in the lower left corner. And as you can see, the background is transparent. If you want to import it into Unity, just do it by dropping it into the assets from your project. After it, you can drop it into your scene. Thank you for watching my video. And don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button.